Welcome to the Wall Street Systems software training. This video will show you how to set up your email account on your Android phone or tablet devices. First, you will find the email icon on your device and tap it to open it. If you haven't set up an email before, it will prompt you to this screen and you will tap Add Other Account. Or, if you have already set up other email account before, you will tap this menu icon, Settings, the gear icon, and then Add Account. Once you are redirected to this screen, you will insert your email address and password credentials provided to you by the IT department. Then click Sign In. Select POP3 as your account type, then type in your credentials again. Type in your full email address for username. For BroadwayIntermodal.com, ParkIntermodal.com, and WallStreetIntermodal.com email addresses, enter the following credentials. For incoming server, under POP3 server, type in mail.parkintermodal.com. For security type, accept all certificates, port 995, and under delete email from server, just leave it as it is with the option select as when deleted from inbox. Under outgoing mail server, you will type in mail.parkintermodal.com, accept all certificates, and port 465. For authentication required before sending emails, just leave it on. And for WallStreetSystemsInc.com, LexingtonIntermodal.com, and MadisonIntermodal.com email addresses, enter the following credentials. For incoming server, type mail.wallstreetsystemsinc.com. For POP3 server, accept all certificates for security type, and port 995. For delete email from server, make sure the option when deleted from inbox is selected. For outgoing mail server, type mail.wallstreetsystemsinc.com. For SMTP, accept all certificates, and port 465. For authentication required before sending emails, just leave it on. Enter your full email address for username and your password. Then click Next. Click Next again and enter your name for outgoing emails. Then click Done. Then you will be redirected to your inbox mail account. If not, find your email app on your phone and your new email should be listed there. You're all set. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the IT department extension 778 and we'll be happy to help you. This concludes this tutorial on how to set up your email account on your Android phone or tablet devices. Thank you for watching.